Okay, let's meet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of a raw vegan meat substitute. I'm going to show you all of these ingredients are healthy and it's easy to make. To make this meat substitute, you're going to be using mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms of choice. Sun-dried tomatoes. This is the secret to this recipe because it gives it that flavor and it makes this recipe come alive. These are a trick. Garlic. Garlic is obviously good for fighting bacteria, viruses, good for just about anything. Spices. The spices in this obviously make it come alive. It gives it that aroma, that smell that you smell when you're going by your restaurant. The cumin is good for indigestion. It helps the liver release fat, which is going to increase your nutrient absorption. And with the bile. And I like a little bit of peppers because it just gives it that spice. Onions, these have the quercetin, and you're going to use the whatever nut you like. I like in my meat substitute pecans, mostly because it has a sweeter taste. Walnuts are good too. They have a little bit of a fattier taste. Okay, let's put it all together. So here I'm going to be using the food processor, and I'm just going to put in here my mushrooms, my soaked pecans, my onion, about a cup. I'm going to use about 4 to 5 cloves of raw garlic. I'm going to put in my spices, my cumin and my paprika and my hot peppers. It's a spicy taco seasoning that I'm using here. A little bit of salt. I like a little bit of garlic seasoning. Again, this is the secret ingredient, the sun-dried tomatoes. And then just a couple squeezes of lime. Now you also can put cilantro into this recipe. I didn't have any right now, but it pairs really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend and we'll see what our final product is. Pulse it. And if you have to stir it occasionally, take the top off and just stir it up until you have the consistency that you want. Have a perfect meat replacement that is absolutely delicious. When I go like this, you can just smell it.